Good morning, students. We are on chapter number 6 of accountancy part 2, cash flow statement. Today in this lecture, we are going to solve sum number 20, which is given on page number 287. So this is sum number 20 on page number 287. From the following information, calculate cash flow from financing activity. So we have to find cash flow from financing activity. The first item is given purchase of land. So friends, purchase of land, it is a cash outflow, but it is a investing activity. So it is a cash outflow of investing activity. It is not a financing activity. Then equity share issued. Friends, equity share issued, it is a financing activity and it is what? Cash inflow. Then redemption of preference shares, so it is also a financing activity and it is what? Cash outflow. Redemption of debentures also a financing activity and there is a cash outflow. Then borrowed loan, borrowed bank loan is also a financing activity and there is a cash inflow. Debenture interest paid, so friend, debenture interest is paid on debentures and debentures are financing activity, so payment of interest on debentures is also a financing activity and it is a cash outflow. Then dividend paid, friend, dividend is paid on shares and shares are the share issued is a financing activity, so it is also a financing activity of outflow of cash. Then debenture interest received, so friend, debenture interest is received on investment in shares or investment. So here it is a investing activity, it is not a financing activity. Sale of furniture, again it is a investing activity, it is not a financing activity. And because of sale of furniture there is a cash inflow, but because cash inflow of investing activity. Then purchase of machine, there is a cash outflow, but cash outflow of investing activity, it is not a financing activity. Interest received on investment, interest received on investment, there is a cash inflow, but it is because of investing activity, so it is not a financing activity. And finally, paid for patents, so paid for patents is also an investing activity and there is a cash outflow. So first 6 items, purchase of 2 to 7, equity share issued to, dividend paid, all items are financing and rest of the items are investing activity. So those which are financing activity, only those they will be recorded in statement of cash flow from financing activity, rest will not be recorded. So let us begin with the statement. So here it is, investment of cash, statement of cash flow from financing activity. The first item, equity share issued, and because of issue of equity share there is a cash inflow, so 1,45,000 is written. Then redemption of preference shares, so because of redemption of preference shares there is a cash outflow, so it is written in bracket as negative 60,000. Then redemption of debentures, again it is cash outflow, so it is written in bracket 70,000. Then borrowed bank loan, this is cash inflow, so 90,000 is written in the amount column. Then debenture interest paid, again because of debenture interest payment there is a cash outflow, so it is written in bracket. And last item, dividend paid, so rupees 8,000, again there is a cash outflow, so written in bracket. And then finally we make the total, so the total is 91,000, which is cash inflow from financing activity, right? And friends, except this, the following transactions are not included in financing activity because these all are investing activities: purchase of land, investing activity of cash outflow; dividend interest received, investing activity of cash inflow; sale of furniture, investing activity of cash inflow; purchase of machine, investing activity of cash outflow; interest received on investment, investing activity of cash inflow; and paid for patents, investing activity of cash outflow. Okay friends, so this is how sum number 20 is solved, where we calculated cash flow from financing activity. In next lecture we will be doing sum number 21, which is the last sum. Okay, thank you.